Dude, it was just a joke.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal.
What is up, guys? It's me, Big Bro.
And a little bro.
And excuse the background noises. My parents are cooking in the kitchen right now.
Find me, bro.
Okay. Find you?
Yeah.
Alright.
How did I die?
How'd you die? Says Brownie, little bro died.
I was just hiding and I died.
Huh. Where are you right now?
I'm up here.
In the door? Oh.
You see me?
No.
We're on the road. I'll come to you. Oh. Dang! 3 hearts left. Oh shoot, how did I took some damage already. Ha! Turn off the camera!
Turn it off?
Yeah.
Dude, it was just a joke. Yo, what the? Oh my! I'm going back inside, dude. That was my favorite fidget spinner. Oh, the cap to my fidget spinner. I can't go that way because there's a light. Fuck you guys, sorry. Dude, let's just go inside, dude. That was my favorite fidget spinner. Dude, I don't even know if you could see. Oh my god, why am I even recording this like this? Dude, it was a joke. Dude, I'm going inside, dude. Whatever.